Former ministers Neil Hamilton and Tim Smith have been condemned in the parliamentary report into the Cash for Questions affair. It said Mr Hamilton's behaviour had been well below the standard. He said he was well below the standard. He said he was devastated and amazed. He said he was
This is an emergency broadcast from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information. This is an emergency broadcast from Her Majesty's government. Please stand by for further information. This is an emergency broadcast from Her Majesty. Normal programming has been interrupted to broadcast this emergency announcement. Please pay close attention. This broadcast will contain information that your life may depend on. A large object has been detected near Mars's orbit. This object is traveling at approximately 600,000 kilometers a second. Current estimates predict a 14% chance that the object will collide with Earth. Space agencies all around the globe are currently working on possibly rerouting or deflecting this object. The current advice is as follows. Stay inside. As we do not fully understand the nature of this situation, the safest place for you to be right now is indoors. If someone you know is currently outdoors, do not attempt to contact them. Police will inform them of the situation and instruct them to return home. Do not attempt to call or contact anyone. The telephone lines must be kept open for emergency use, and people using the telephone lines for non-essential reasons may disrupt this. Begin collecting water. It is likely that in the event of a collision, water supplies will be heavily contaminated, and so it is imperative that you have water to last you at least 14 days. If you have the means to, begin collecting non-perishable food. In the event of a collision, food may become unavailable, and so you should have food to last you at least 14 days. We have no more information to bring you at this time. Please stay indoors and stay tuned to this broadcast. It has been confirmed that this object is a comet. As well as this, we must inform you that the chance of the comet hitting Earth has risen to 68%. Because of this, NASA has launched an operation in collaboration with the United Nations to deflect this comet away from its potential trajectory with Earth. This operation involves the use of nuclear weapons close to the Earth's atmosphere. Because of this, it is likely that the Earth's upper atmosphere will become contaminated, and so it is imperative that you stay indoors for the next 14 days. We have no more information to bring you at this time. Please stay tuned to this broadcast for further updates. Unfortunately, we must inform you that the mission was unsuccessful. The impact from the nuclear explosion on the comet shifted its trajectory towards Moscow, making the chance of impact 100%. The estimated time before impact is 3 minutes. As the comet is approximately 23 kilometers in diameter, this will likely be a mass extinction event for most, if not all, life on Earth. It is advised you say your final goodbyes. It is estimated that 95% of the human population will perish within the first 24 hours of impact. If you wish to die on your own terms, suicide is permitted. Please do not commit suicide if you have family or loved ones with you. This will only cause more discomfort in their final moments of life. In the hours and days following impact, there will be global firestorms, massive tsunamis, and extreme earthquakes. Food and water will become incredibly scarce due to the extremely hot conditions and lack of organic matter. Global temperatures will plummet to as low as -34 degrees Celsius, killing all plant life on Earth. The atmosphere will be badly damaged, allowing harmful radiation onto Earth, which is likely to cause cancer in any and all animals left on the Earth's surface. In the unlikely event you survive, you should seek long-term shelter under the surface with a reliable source of water and food. Conditions in this new world will be brutal, and the chance of long-term survival for the human race is incredibly low. As such, survivors are instructed to not reproduce, as to avoid unnecessary suffering. That is all from us at the BBC. We hope your death is as peaceful and dignified as possible. We will end with the national anthem.